The GR Yaris already feels like a car that was built on a racetrack at midnight. The Aero Performance Package takes that feeling and sharpens it. The ducted aluminum hood breathes heat out of the engine bay when you are pushing hard. The front lip spoiler trims front lift, and the fender ducts let high-pressure air escape the wheel arches so the steering feels calmer at speed. Underneath, an added fuel tank, undercover, and extra floor panels smooth the airflow, while a variable rear wing helps settle the car under braking and keeps it planted on fast sweepers. These are not cosmetic parts. They are wind tunnel and motorsport-informed tweaks meant to make the car feel more stable the faster you go. Toyota keeps the core hardware intact, which is the right call. You still get the turbocharged 1.6-liter three-cylinder with roughly 224 kilowatts and 400 newton meters in Japanese specification, paired to either a 6-speed manual or the GR direct automatic transmission, driving all 4 wheels through the GR4 system. That familiar punch and mechanical honesty stay the same. The difference is how composed the car feels when you use all of it. Availability depends on where you live. In Japan, the package is a factory option on select grades, aligning with the 2026 model year timing. In Australia, it lands on the GTS grade with an asking price reported at about 4,500 Australian dollars before on-road costs, and pricing for the whole car sits higher when optioned this way. That is not cheap for Aero, but if you plan to track the car or do fast canyon runs, the gains in stability and cooling can matter more than a raw power bump. On the road, the car feels less nervous over crests and in crosswinds. On track, you notice cleaner turn-in, less lift, and better brake confidence in high-speed zones. The vibe is simple. Keep the playful heart of the GR Yaris, but give it more headroom when the pace climbs. If that matches how you drive, this package makes real sense. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss the next one.